All right, guys, you are ready for skateboarding? Well, how about an electrical skateboarding? Now, this is cool and fun. Now, this one can hold up to 180 pounds. So, it's great for adults or kids, right? Depends on the weight. But this one is a battery one. It can run up to 10 miles an hour in one single charge, up to 7. I'll show you this cool thing right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab. I mean, having a skateboard, electric skateboard, is a lot of fun. I don't know if you saw it, but I did a lot of videos of skateboarding, and I love this thing. The only thing, this one, it can hold up to 180 pounds, but I think this is perfect for kids. Real nice, beautiful design. It has this, it's like a sandpaper, so guarantee you're gonna slip it here. Handle, right? So make the handle easy right there. And right over here, we got the power indicator here. So let me show you there. This, turn it on and blinks there. It shows me the battery level. So it's 3 lines, so it's 4. So it requires a little charge. And let me show you now the other way around. We're gonna change the camera. We see here battery. Now this is the one that has the motor. We're gonna start this. It's the motor one, so indicates here battery. Beautiful, beautiful color. That I think they also have different colors as well. So, but this one is real nice. Yeah. So we got here now. What we get with this? So here we have 100 volt 240, so we can use this anywhere. That's to charge the skateboard. I'll leave a few hours. Now this is to charge the remote control. Show you the remote control here. This is to adjust and all that. Full instructions key. So that's nice to get all these errands, right? This almost charged, right? I don't require that to charge. I'll show you guys here. And this is the remote control. Actually, this is better than the old one I have for my other skateboard I have from the same company. I think this is much nicer. So here we have the battery level, the connection, reverse power. Yeah, that's the way you accelerate, right? Or if you activate reverse. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to press power here. See? And now it's going to link with the skateboard. See, even shows me how much battery the skateboard has right now to this one. This is nice. So this, if you charge around the bottom. This thing goes long time. I have one of these, and I think I barely charge in a year. So right there. And very simple. If I move forward, this thing moves forward, right? And it has brake, electronic brake. Watch this. You see that? And it works real good. Stops. I'm enjoying all these type of devices. Okay. So remember, speed up to 10 miles an hour. Now we can activate the reverse. And now, and always blink there, and it blinks around the bottom, let you know that it's connected. But we're just looking here. So this, I move it, yeah, nice. Whoop! Gonna throw the stuff out of the table. So as you see, super fast, real nice design. So guys, if you're looking for a skateboarding and electrical one, well, this is the one. Real nice, guys. You can see here the design. I love the remote control. I'm telling you right now, mine is not as cool as this one. A little different, but this one is nice because it indicates the battery. You don't know the battery right now here. What is getting information from the skateboard. All right, guys. So to get this beautiful, cool, and fun skateboard right now, just grab the link right below this video. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.